Lake Geography class. Definition: a lake is a large depression on the surface of the earth and is filled with a large amount of water. The water sources that fill the lake can come from various sources, such as springs, groundwater, rainwater, and river water that empties into the lake. Types of lakes. Tectonics. Lake. This lake was created by tectonic movements, earthquakes. Volcanic lake. This lake is generally found in the crater of a former volcanic eruption. Types of lakes. Tectonic. Volcanic lake. It is formed by a combination of tectonic and volcanic processes. When a volcano erupts and causes an earthquake. Karst lake. It is created by limestone erosion, so that the basin created by earlier erosion became filled with water and transformed into a lake. Types of lakes. Glacial lake. It is created as a result of glacier erosion. As the ice melts, a lake will form in the basins that are along its path. Dam. It is made by humans. Generally, lakes made by humans are often called reservoirs or dams. How to preserve lake conservation. Maintain forest sustainability in the upstream part of the lake/water source that leads to the lake. Make a green belt around the bank of a lake. Do not throw trash into the lake. Conduct soil conservation above the reservoir. Thank you.